I need you to do something funny for the video. Come on. Come on, do something. Come on, please, do something funny. I just need something funny. Hey, welcome back to my Ford tractor fixing series where I'm restoring this 1959 Ford 601 Workmaster diesel tractor. Now, Christmas was very recent, and I ended up getting, as you can see here, a lot of goodies for the tractor. Some gauges, a front emblem, a solenoid, and one of the things I ended up getting was a new hour meter and tachometer. Now, this is the old one because I've already installed the new one. So let's go ahead and jump right in on how I ended up doing it. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is come down to the hydraulic pump and we're going to take off this thing right here. This is the part that transfers the rotational force of the little pump here into this tube. It spins it around and then it goes to the gauge on the top. So go ahead and pull that off. Looks like the inside here is actually broken off. It doesn't look like there's actually a post on the inside. And this is actually what it is supposed to look like. One end is keyed and we can find the key on the inside there. All right, you can see that it has a little keyed portion that the
think of your secretary
key here will go into that. Then we'll slide this on and tighten that up. All right, there we go. Now we'll do the other side. I feel pretty honored. I mean, the last time this gauge was put on, or it's probably never come off since the factory, probably. Okay, so if you're wondering how this works, basically, we've got this plate and these nuts here. In the case of these are thumb screws. So basically, it'll go into the hole here, and these will press on the back end of the plate here, allowing it to sandwich the gauge and hold it into place. So with that, we will say out with the old and in with the new. So that looks fantastic. Just got to adjust it a little bit and we'll put the O-ring on the back and tighten it all down. Okay, so all we have to do now is attach the other end of the cable to our top here. So we'll snake it up where it was before. Went up through here. This, we'll attach that. We will come up. Shall tighten that down. That's that. I'll get a socket. We'll remove this old plug and then we'll be good to go. So here's where the old tachometer cable is, and now with the new. So let's follow it all the way up. So we have it connected into the hydraulic pump. It goes underneath the battery into its clip and then up inside to the tachometer. So let's get the tractor started up and see if it actually ended up working out. Okay, so we have the old one out here and we are going to go ahead and get the new one and see if we installed it correctly. So let's get the tractor started up and let's do it. Got my starter here. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Well, there you have it. Okay, so we got the old RPM gauge and hour meter off the tractor here, and we put on this nice new one. Now, I will be painting this and adding these other gauges eventually. I want to paint this, but right now I really want to have this hour meter so that I can know when to do maintenance. So if you like this video, this short form sort of video, please feel free to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers. It costs nothing, and I'd really appreciate it if you did it. We'll see you in the next one. I need you to run the other way. Stop. Oh, come on, come on, come here, come here, come here.